See yourself as the head boy of a school and you are asked to go to one of the classes in the school to take the register of the numbers of singers and the dancers in the class. So what will you do when you get to the class? The first thing you do is you ask for the total number of students in that class, which will give you total equals, let's assume they said 30. Then you ask them again, how many singers do we have in this class? And they responded by saying that we have 21 singers in the class. Then you further asked that how many dancers do we have in the class? And they responded again that we have 16 dancers in the class. Then you left the class. So when you now got to your office or your class, you tried doing the total of the record you have gotten so far, which is 21 and 16. And at the end of the day, you realize 37. You'll be wondering that why is the total and what I'm getting here not the same? Yes, simply because there are intruders in that class. And how do you figure out the intruders in that class? You need Venn diagram. You need Venn diagram. So how do we go about it? So this is what you do. Go back to that class. Then you ask them because there are a lot of questions that you need to ask, but you did not ask. So you ask the first question you ask is how many students do we have in this class, which is the total. They said 30. You asked how many singers do we have in this class? They said 21. Then you asked again, how many dancers do we have in this class? They said 16. Then after doing your total immediately, you realized 37. Then you know that something is wrong. Then you further asked, do we have students in this class that can sing and at the same time they can dance? You'll be surprised when the student tell you that they have singers and dancers in the class. They have people who can sing and dance simultaneously. So in this case, you have to create another set for them, singer and dancers. Then you ask them, how many are they? They will tell you they are 8 in numbers. Then you put it down. You can now ask this last question to be on the safer side. You ask them that, do we have people in this class that do not sing and do not dance? You'll be surprised again when the students will respond with, yes, we have students who can play football, but they cannot dance and they cannot sing. So then you ask them, how many are they? And they will tell you one. So let's put that down. Not a singer and not a dancer. You can say neither a singer nor a dancer. So now let's use Venn diagram simply because we have 4 segments. That is why we have to ask those 4 questions. Look at it. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's only one person. So we have 4 segments, and that is why we asked 4 questions. So the universal set is 30. Then for those that are, let's use S to represent the singers and D to represent the dancers. So those that sing, they are 21. Those that dance, they are 16. This is what you need to do. You should be aware that singers and dancers, when you called singers initially, they were part of them. These 8 people were part of them. When you call dancers again, simply because they can do the two, they were also present here. So that was the initial problem that you had. So all you need to do is you subtract 8 from 21. This 8 is supposed to be here. 21 already added 8. So all you need to do is to subtract 8 from 21. And when you take away 8 from 21, you get 13. When you take 8 away from 16, you get 8. Do the maths. Now you have 13 plus 16, which is going to give you 29. You'll be wondering, where is the remaining one person? Simply because there are 30 in that class. So all you need to do is to check. Can you see why this part is also important? So we have just one boy that loves to play football but can neither dance nor sing. And this balanced the Venn diagram and our problem has been solved. So you can give the perfect analysis of the singers and dancers in the class by saying that we have 30 students in the class, of which 13 of them can sing only, and 8 of them can sing and dance, while 8 can only dance. Then we have just one boy that loves football. He does not dance and he does not sing.